What is up, guys? It's RT Kev with another banger. So today is diffuser day. I'm getting my diffuser put in right now, and it will look sick, bro. I promise you that. So yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing you the process of it right now. So yeah, check it out. So okay, guys, so I'm at this spot right here, Coaching Colors. Getting this diffuser installed. We'll see how it comes out, how it looks once I get it on there. So that's it right here. Got it jacked up right now. So yeah, we'll see how it comes out. All right, y'all, I'll be checking in a little while. All right, guys, so we got the old diffuser off. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and do the new diffuser right here. All right, man, so stay tuned. Yeah, bro, I'm still getting worked on right now, man. I'm looking forward to this, bro. Like, this is gonna be so crazy. I'm looking so forward to this. As soon as I back it up, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, yes sir. Get my thing done. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Yeah, that thing looking cold right there. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. It's coming out cold. Oh, yeah, man. All right, guys, so this is the place where I got my diffuser installed. Really low prices here. I mean, I was surprised at how low it was. This is the place right here. All right, y'all. Just got that thing installed. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. I just left the body shop right now, man. And I think it looked pretty dope. I'll probably keep it. I'll probably keep it for a little while, and then maybe swap it out. I don't know. All right, guys. This is the finished product of the diffuser. Yes, sir. All right, man. Let me know what you guys think about it. Stay tuned. Peace.